Now let's see a try else block. So try else block has a try and exception handling. Along with that, there is an else block which is executed only when there is no error occurred within the try block. So let's first add this else. Over here we want the print statement of this section to be executed, which should be executed only when the division occurs, and we want to display the message. Now let's see the output of this program. Let's run our program. Python try else.py. Now let's enter the proper data. 2. So here the division of 10 and 2 is 5, executed when both the values are correct. Now let's run again the same program and enter 10 here. Now here we can see that the value error occurred and it went inside the except block of the value error, printed the output, and then went on. But it did not execute anything inside the else part. Hence, earlier we used to get an error when it was trying to print that statement of the result, even though there was an exception before even execution. Now that doesn't occur. Now let's try to execute it again. This time we will provide 12 and 0. It's still not happening. So the else block is now getting executed only when the try block code has no error in it. So you should be using else block whenever you want a code to be executed only when the try block produce no errors. So in some situations, like in our present scenario, we were printing the output of the division, and since the output of the division should be printed only when the number 1 and number 2 provided by the user are digits and there is no 0 as a denominator, then only division can occur, and hence the output we could get as a proper messages, whether it's an error message or it's a division successful message.